Southern Iceland holds a rich history. Viking settlements dot the landscape, remnants of a time when these shores were first explored. Glacier lagoons, remnants of retreating ice giants, reflect the sky, creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. The South Coast is a land of contrasts, where raw power meets unexpected life. It's a place that will leave you breathless, humbled by the forces that shape this unforgettable landscape. In the far north, where glaciers meet volcanic peaks, lives a unique reindeer population, the Icelandic reindeer. These caribou cousins are smaller and stockier than their North American kin, perfectly adapted to Iceland's harsh environment. Their thick coats shield them from brutal winters, while their impressive antlers help them navigate the snow-covered mountains. These reindeer play a vital role in the Icelandic ecosystem. They graze on moss and lichen that blanket the volcanic soil, helping to prevent erosion and maintain a healthy balance in the plant life. Icelandic reindeer are more than just ecological wonders. They're deeply woven into Icelandic culture. They hold a place in folklore and are even featured on the 10 kr coin. High atop a mountain ridge, overlooking a vast expanse of white, lies the Myrdalsjökull viewpoint. This dramatic platform offers a breathtaking panorama of Iceland's southern glaciers, a landscape sculpted by volcanic fire and glacial ice. The star of the show is Myrdalsjökull itself, Iceland's fourth largest glacier cap. This mighty ice sheet, shrouded in mist, conceals the notorious Katla volcano, one of Iceland's most active. Katla has a long history of fiery eruptions, spewing ash and lava, and its meltwater feeds the powerful glaciers that spill down its flanks. Standing at the viewpoint, you'll also witness the contrast between ice and rock. The black slopes of nearby mountains, volcanic ash blanketing their sides, stand in stark relief to the brilliant white glacier. In the distance, the endless expanse of the Atlantic Ocean completes this dramatic scene. The Myrdalsjökull viewpoint isn't just about the view. It's a place to feel the raw power of Iceland's natural forces. The wind whispers tales of volcanic eruptions and glacial movements, and the sheer scale of the landscape leaves you humbled. It's a powerful reminder of the dynamic forces that continue to shape this unique island nation. Standing sentinel over Iceland's southern plains is Sólheimajökull, a vast and dynamic tongue of ice. Carved from the mighty Myrdalsjökull glacier, Sólheimajökull is a powerful reminder of Earth's ever-changing landscape. Its icy surface whispers secrets of volcanic eruptions and millennia of snowfall. Sunlight glints off its surface, revealing deep crevices and glacial pools, a mesmerizing dance of blue and white. But beneath this beauty lies a stark reality. Sólheimajökull, like glaciers worldwide, is retreating. The relentless march of climate change is causing its edges to melt and recede, leaving behind a stark landscape of black sand and glacial moraine. These exposed areas, once hidden under the ice, are now fertile ground for new life. Mosses and hardy wildflowers begin to colonize, a testament to nature's resilience. Iceland's landscapes are unlike anything else on Earth. Here, fire and time have sculpted a dramatic canvas of black lava rock. But look closer, and you'll see a surprising splash of green. These are Iceland's Mossy lava fields, a testament to the relentless power of nature's reclamation. The most famous example is Eldrán, a vast expanse formed by a monstrous eruption centuries ago. The unforgiving lava flows once dominated the landscape. But over time, a tenacious pioneer emerged a creeping carpet. Each strand of this moss is a marvel of resilience. It thrives in harsh conditions, patiently breaking down volcanic rock and creating a foothold for life. Century by slow century, the green tide advances, transforming the desolate black into a strangely beautiful mosaic. The moss isn't just a cosmetic change. It breathes life into the barren rock. Other plants slowly establish themselves, finding nourishment in the moss's breakdown of the lava. Shrubs and even hardy trees begin to dot the landscape, a testament to the patient march of life. Deep within Vatnajökull National Park, Europe's largest, lies the Svinafellsjökull glacier, a colossal tongue of ice snaking down from the mighty Vatnajökull ice cap. Its name, meaning Svinafellsjökull glacier, hints at the dramatic, rugged peaks that cradle the ice. Svinafellsjökull is a dynamic giant. Carved by relentless winds and geothermal heat, its surface is a wonderland of crevices, glacial lagoons, and ice caves that shimmer an ethereal blue. This ever-changing landscape has captured the imaginations of Hollywood filmmakers, serving as a backdrop for James Bond and Game of Thrones. But Svinafellsjökull is more than just a scenic marvel. It's a vital part of Iceland's ecosystem. Meltwater from the glacier nourishes the stark yet beautiful landscape, providing life-giving water and carving dramatic canyons. It's a testament to the raw power of nature, a place where ice and fire meet in a breathtaking dance. Nestled beneath the imposing Vesterhorn mountain in southeast Iceland lies a mysterious village. Built in 2010, these weathered wooden structures were originally a film set, waiting for a movie that never came. Though fictional, the village offers a glimpse into Viking life. Imagine hardy souls living here, braving the elements, and gazing upon the same peaks for centuries. While the movie remains unmade, the Viking village has found a new purpose, captivating travelers with its rugged charm and serving as a backdrop for shows like Netflix's The Witcher. On the windswept plains of Iceland, amidst a landscape forged by fire and ice, thrives a unique breed of horse, the Icelandic horse. These surra-footed companions, with their flowing manes and tails, have played a pivotal role in Icelandic history and culture for over 1,000 years. Their unique gait, Vittelt, is a smooth, 4-beat pace that's surprisingly comfortable for riders, making them perfect for traversing Iceland's rugged terrain. Icelandic horses are one of the few purebred horse breeds in the world. To protect their bloodline, strict import restrictions have been in place for centuries. This isolation has resulted in a remarkably pure gene pool, even leading some to call them the horses of the Vikings. Welcome to Jökulsárlón, a place where magic takes shape in the form of ice. Nicknamed the Diamond Beach, this otherworldly landscape is a stunning clash between the power of the ocean and the fleeting beauty of glaciers. These colossal icebergs, some towering taller than houses, have calved off Breathtaking glacier, a tongue of the mighty Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier by volume. As the icebergs drift across the glacial lagoon, they're sculpted by the relentless waves, transforming them into glistening giants. The black sand beach here is volcanic in origin, a stark contrast to the crystal-clear glacial ice. The constant dance of the waves gently polishes the icebergs, rounding their edges and enhancing their diamond-like quality. On sunny days, the ice shimmers in a breathtaking display of blues, whites, and even hints of black. Diamond Beach isn't just a visual feast. It's a thriving ecosystem. Seals can often be spotted basking on the icebergs or diving in the frigid waters for fish. Bird life is abundant here as well, with Arctic terns, skuas, and ducks finding a rich hunting ground in the lagoon. The Diamond Beach has become a major tourist destination in Iceland. Visitors from all over the world flock here to witness this natural wonder. Photographers find endless inspiration, capturing the ever-changing light dancing on the ice. Jökulsárlón is a powerful reminder of the Earth's dynamic forces and the breathtaking beauty that can emerge from their collision. Múlagljúfur Canyon, carved by the mighty glacial river Laxá. This dramatic landscape is a geologist's dream and a haven for adventure seekers. Múlagljúfur stretches for over a kilometer, its sheer cliffs plunging up to 50 meters into the earth. The canyon walls are a mesmerizing tapestry of basalt columns, formed by ancient volcanic lava flows cooling and fracturing. These columns are stacked tightly together like a giant's forgotten building blocks. The power of the Laxá River has sculpted natural pools and hidden waterfalls, creating a symphony of sound and movement. Keep an eye out for nesting birds who find sanctuary on the canyon's ledges. Múlagljúfur's isolation has fostered a unique ecosystem. The constant moisture creates a haven for mosses and other resilient plants, clinging stubbornly to the rock face. These splashes of green add a touch of life to the otherwise stark landscape. Southern Iceland, a land of fire and ice, leaves an imprint on the soul. From glaciers that groan to waterfalls that roar,